on.
Alright, it's about 40 degrees, so 45, 47. We're going to go in the water.
Okay, go.
California weather.
Here goes Papa and Olivia. It's January and freezing. Oh my gosh. The traditional January plunge. Papa's out. Olivia's still. Oh, look at this. California girl. She's in. Did your toes turn yet, Olivia?
Oh, yeah.
Hi, Christy. Hi. Hi.
And Christy likes it.
Christy, come on.
Oh, there goes Papa in January. You guys are nuts. That's it. That's it, California girl. Nice to be young. She's 18. Here's a, we hear you now, Olivia.
Did you click it?
I haven't clicked stopped yet.
Nanny's turn. Nanny's turn.
No way.
Come on, then you got to get in the tank top and...
I don't think so.
Christy girl.
Where's Papa? Here, I'll grab Papa a little bit. All right, Papa. You're on. You're on. All right, I'm going to click it.